This video will help show you what's available at Ablewaytech.com. Here's our main course, Applied Systems Development. This features the Kata Challenge system, where we offer a comprehensive online program designed to cater to traders of all skill levels. This is in collaboration with Dr. Ken Long, and our niche is really that we emphasize practical application to help you put the theory into practice. We show you how to take all that theory and put it into action. Here's the actual Rizuku course syllabus. Our course starts with the simple and highly effective Kata Challenge system, where you learn to think like a trader in probabilities. We learn one pattern at a time so you don't feel overwhelmed. We give you everything you need to start trading a working system, including what symbols to trade, time frames, specific patterns, exit strategies, as well as how to record, assess, and analyze your trade results in a professional, organized way. Then we get into the plan, prepare, execute, assess framework. Now that's a systematic approach to continuous improvement. All our live sessions are also recorded, and you get access to those forever. The Applied Systems Development course is a 12-week program that covers everything you need to know to navigate the trading market. Now, throughout the course, we'll be doing exercises during the week to ensure understanding and have question and answer support throughout the course, so we'll be learning interactively. And the best part is you get to engage in 12 weekly live Zoom sessions where you'll receive real-time feedback and connect with other traders, fostering a strong community spirit, which is so important in the trading profession. We have been receiving lots of positive feedback from our students on the structured delivery and practical applications in our course. We hope this video has helped show you what's available at Ablewaytech.com.